Not much movement when the market opens. I have no idea how it closes. Dow down 40 right now. David Nicholas joins me. Why are you so bullish on cybersecurity stocks? Is it AI?
Well, Stuart, that's part of the two reasons. The first is geopolitical risk. I think between now and the elections, I think nations like China and Russia are only going to ramp up cybersecurity attacks here at home. So U.S. companies have to be prepared for that. So that's the first thing. The second one, is AI. Stuart, AI is exciting, but it's a double-edged sword because sophisticated hacking attacks that would take 6 months to build can now be done with AI in a matter of days. That is a big threat to U.S. companies. So I think the number I read, 80% of Fortune 500 company stewards are going to increase spending on cybersecurity this year. So it's a big deal.
How far have they got to run? I mean, Palo Alto's at $317 a share right now. It's up $15. How far do these things go? Do they get another 10%, 20% on top of this?
Stuart, this is why you're one of the best. You're right. Cybersecurity stocks are richly valued. But take a name like Palo Alto. That stock pulled back after earnings. Yeah. So we just got earnings this week. They gave bad guidance. But one thing I'll add, Nancy Pelosi on the pullback bought somewhere between $500,000 to $1 million in call options on Palo Alto that expire a year out. So she's one of the best stock traders I know. She's going long. I think there's still upside. But you're right. It's going to be muted, but I think we're still going to get some upside in these names.
Warren Buffett said recently, I'm quoting now, anything beyond slightly better for the market is wishful thinking. That is not very optimistic coming from a very successful investor.
Stuart, you're right. Fascinating report over the weekend. I went through it, and you're exactly right. It was somewhat of a dire warning, I think, to U.S. investors that he said, look, for our shareholders, you shouldn't really expect a whole lot. He even alluded that the best days were behind us. And this is a guy that's seen a lot, Stuart. He's been through many market cycles, and he's giving a pretty clear warning. They're not buying. He's actually said there's nothing internationally that we would buy, and there's only a few companies here domestically that would even move the needle. So as we are investors and we're looking to allocate capital, the guru, the man himself, has a very clear warning that the best days may be behind us, at least temporarily.
But you found value in cybersecurity, and that's where you're putting your money. Thanks very much indeed. We appreciate you coming, David.